So guys, for the first method, you want to go to search and type in services. Click on it. And now once you're on this, you want to scroll down to the very bottom until we find Windows Installer. Double click on it, which will now make the service status running. And then click on OK. Now you want to click on restart. You want to restart the Windows Installer service. See if that works for you. If that's still not working, then for the second method, you want to go to search and type in CMD. Now you want to run it as administrator. And then click on yes. And now once you're on this, you want to type in MSI exec space / on register. And then click on enter. And now you want to type in MSI exec space / reg server. And then click on enter. See if that works for you. For the next method, re-download the installer again that's giving you the problem and then see if that works. Just download the installer again, try to run it and then see if that works. For the last method, you want to go to search and type in check for updates. Click on it. And now once you're on this, you want to click on check for updates. Make sure that your computer is fully up to date. Now you want to restart your computer. Come back into Windows and then hopefully this will fix your problem.